How to use data to grow social media channels. In this video, I'm going to discuss how data can help you grow your social media channels and how you can gain the necessary data with the use of Keyhole. How does data help grow social media channels? Data allows you to measure specific areas and metrics of your social media channels. When you have valuable data points, you can make informed decisions about your social media strategy. If your goal is to increase your brand's awareness, you need to measure specific metrics to see where you excel and where you need to improve. Data allows you to answer important questions such as what causes higher engagement, how is your follower growth trending, and who is saying positive things about your brand. Gain growth data with the use of Keyhole. Keyhole's Profile Analytics feature provides you with your social media channels metrics all in one place. Jump into specifics such as optimizing your account by finding the best day and time to post, view metrics on your posts, review your account's mentions to see who is posting about you, and gain more insights on your followers and more. Should you have any questions, please contact our team via our website at keyhole.co. Happy tracking!